You want the pink? Oh, this one. You green English, I know. What's the use of kinalabet?
Kinalabet.
Hook is not correct like this. You can see it para sa tinusok, right? And then you cannot say you touch me because it's hawak. And then you cannot say you tickle me because it's kinalabet. And then you cannot say you pinch me because it's cross, right? Right? And how you could say in English of kinalabet?
Yes, YouTube na.
Kinalabet.
Tell me.
I don't know.
Are you play a game on computer like a Dota or Counter-Strike?
Yeah.
They hit the answer there. When I can say that it is not real correct in the sentence, but same sounds, you trigger me.
Kalabit ka ninyo.
Right?
That's good.
Right?
I'm triggering you, man.
Yeah, why you trigger me?
Fucking bully you.
I'm triggering you.
Do you know when you eat a banana, it is good for the mind and good for the health, good for the skin, and good for the heat? When gonna be hit is something good for your body. It is not good at junk food and strawberry is not better, right? It is have no benefits of the strawberries and junk food, right? When you're healthy? Oh.
I don't know.
I tell you, what's the difference inside and outside your body? Outside is still here, and inside in your body, here, right? You can say that. Pag kumain kayo ng junk food, it is not better. Sinasaktan nyo sa sarili sa loob nyo. Pinagmamaarte nyo sa labas, di ba? Okay? O yung si mga banana Q?
No, buy na.
Because of that, I'm gonna buy one.
Yes.
Yeah, rock and roll.
You're fucking cheap, man.
Yes, only 5.
How much is this?
Isa sa kasaba. The ingredient kasaba.
You have
It's
to
only
run?
10, 10, and 5. I have no to run. I have no wrap.
Oh my God.
No wrap.
It's only on the stick in the banana.
Okay, I'll take one.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna take one.
Meron akong question. Anong saging pati balat kinakain?
Turon.
Yan.
Yan.
Magkapatid kayo, alam ko eh.
Pag naligo ka, anong unang babasahin mo?
Pa! Ulo!
Habo! Mali kayong lahat! Siyempre yung tuyo!
Ito
Paano
na.
mo malalaman
Dahil
kung bagong
dyan-
ligo yung kalbo?
Hayaan mo siya lumabas para malaman mong kalbo siya. Ay, malaman bagong ligo.
Tanungin mo! Okay na. Okay na yan.
Bakit yung
Nagawa
pusa
ko
nasa
sana.
bubong?
Bye.
Laging nasa bubong.
Pagtapos nito, meron akong bibigyan sila ng amazing. Wait.
Amazing!
Yes.
Whoa!
Lahat to
How
ibigay mo sa
much your
amin.
money?
20. I'm
Yes.
giving it to you.
What?
Because you speak English.
You have a job?
No.
No, I don't care if you get a job. You have no job, just carry your kid.
Yo!
Right?
Bukas na kasi CNN ka na.
Papadala ka na sa Japan.
Kalokan.
Papadala ka na sa Japan.
Gusto niyo ba? Do you want to challenge you, woman?
Woman.
Sure.
Not just a woman, girl lang.
Naniniwala ka ngayon, hindi mo kakilala, hindi kita kakilala, alam ko na ang ugali mo. I'm not a fortune teller, ha? Nakakalaman lang ako ng ugali. Alam ko sensitive ka, sumpungin ka. At prangka ka. Ha? Hindi, hindi,
Isang babae yan.
I know. Spoiled siya yan, alam ko.
How about our prof? How about our
Alam mo
prof?
bang hindi naman ako nanghuhula because only God they know was attitude, not me. It's only God they know your future. But I know your attitude, nakakabasa ako. Kasi, because of God, they give me wisdom.
Yeah, rock and roll.
Ayan.
Wisdom.
Lahat ng USC, suwi ko sila. Pag pumupunta sa dito, they want me. Last Sunday na pinaka-NSTP nila. Nag-hug. Nag-hug pa lang kami. Tapos nag-ano kami, kuya, wag ka. Sa susunod na lang ka tayo magkikita. Nag-iyakan sila na. Nag-iyakan kami. Because of the USC.
Bingo yung kuya, no?
Ano ba USC?
So good
Google ko UST.
Sumalogin ka namin mag-tour? Tour guide?
Si Eric! Pa-picture na, pa-Facebook. Kuya, pa-Facebook. Pa-picture kuya. Friend ko to!
Yes.
Pwede, no?
Pwede.
But I can tell you advice you just read the letter of God. If you want to become knowledge, it is better to read the letter, not only the read of the cell phone, right? And let them put in your heart God, deep in your heart God. And let think every second, every minute God. Okay?
Yeah.
It is a better of the secret of the future.
Anong lahi mo kayo?
Filipino!
Filipino!
Ano ba lang?
Anong ano?
Lingwahe. Kapampangan.
Ayun, Eric! Sabi nga, kuya, say takla ah, takla.
Takla! Hey!
Count of three.
It is a takla is not good.
Taklang taga.
1, 2, 3. Takla!
Wala ako.
Wala ka sa pa kasi